Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will showcase how to perform operating system discovery using Nmap. Nmap offers two primary methods for operating system discovery. First is by using Nmap Scripting Engine, or NSE, and the second is by using simple Nmap-O flag. Let's begin with the Nmap Scripting Engine. To do this, open your terminal and enter the following command: nmap script smb os discovery.nse. This is a pre-written NSE script. 192.168.56.1 is the target IP address. Then press enter. In a couple of seconds, you will receive the output. Now, observe the results. You'll notice that no specific OS information is returned in this case. That's because Nmap has many scripts, and the results depend on choosing the right script for your target. For example, sometimes your target machine might be running inside VirtualBox, or it could be a Windows-based host. This is why it's essential to select the appropriate script according to your target environment. Now let's switch to a simpler method. Using Nmap-O flag, type the following command in the terminal: Nmap-O 192.168.56.1 is your target IP address. Then press enter. After a few seconds, you will see the output. Now compare this output to the one from the Nmap Scripting Engine. You might notice a message stating, OS scan results may be unreliable because we could not find at least one open and one closed port. Bridge, VoIP adapter, general purpose indicates target device type identified by Nmap. The output shows that the system might be running Oracle VirtualBox with a 98% accuracy rating. This entry suggests that Nmap has identified the operating system as Oracle VirtualBox and has detected an application developed by Danny Gasparovsky. It also provides aggressive OS guesses, such as Oracle VirtualBox, AT&T BGW 210 Voice Gateway, QEMU User Mode Network Gateway. These entries reflect Nmap's best guesses based on the available data. Since 192.168.56.1 is a public IP address, the OS could be anything, and Nmap cannot guarantee accuracy in this case. If you're scanning a specific target IP where you know the environment, for example, a system running Windows or Linux, Nmap is more likely to identify the OS accurately. And that's how you can perform OS discovery using Nmap and the Nmap Scripting Engine.